Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has once again hit back at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that the Prime Minister isn't letting Delhi government function. Kejriwal questioned just why Delhi is being particularly targeted despite other states having parliamentary secretaries, including the state of Gujarat. The Delhi CM even defended the 21 MLAs, saying that they're working in different departments without getting any money and that the centre should not really have any problem with the same. Arvind Kejriwal's scathing attack on the centre comes after President Pranab Mukherjee refused to give his nod to a bill amending the law on Office of Profit. Arvind Kejriwal's government had appointed 21 MLAs as parliamentary secretaries just after the Delhi Assembly passed the contentious bill last year, which was meant to exclude the post of parliamentary secretaries from the list of Office of Profit. Facing charges of violating the law, Kejriwal government has maintained that these MLAs don't come under the Office of Profit law.
Well, Avantika, clearly there is a political side to this entire matter. But just because there are political ambitions and political motivations which are being accused of, one cannot deny the legality of this entire situation. The Representation of the People's Act 1951 and also the NCT Act, which pertains to the partial statehood that Delhi enjoys, very clearly lays down that there is only one secretary, parliamentary secretary level officer, which can be there in the special territory of New Delhi. This parliamentary secretary is for the chief minister. The law in its current form does not allow any further posts like this to be created without the assent of the Lieutenant Governor. If you also go to the second point, which is of the Office of Profit. Now, the law in this country does not define what Office of Profit is. However, there are Supreme Court judgments which have very clearly laid down that it's a matter of fact and will be decided on a case-to-case basis. Also, one very important and crucial point is not very long ago, just in 2015, there was a judgment which came from the Calcutta High Court in which a similar act, a similar legislation by the West Bengal government was struck down. It created, additional posts of the Parliament Secretary, gave them benefits. The only argument right now which seems to work in favor of the Aam Aadmi Party is the fact that they have not given these Parliament Secretaries, designated Parliament Secretaries, any special perks or privileges as they claim of. This matter, in its all likelihood, will go to the court, and this continues to be a legally grey area. All is not very clear.
Anusha,
as
very quickly, then what about the other states, that the Aam Aadmi Party allege have multiple parliamentary secretaries?
Avantika, Delhi is not a complete state. It does not enjoy a full statehood, and that is the reason that, because it's a union territory in many ways, there is just one position which has been ascribed.
All right, Anusha, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for putting things in perspective. But the Aam Aadmi Party clearly has found itself in the midst of this big, huge political storm, once again by targeting the Prime Minister. Let's just listen in to some reactions coming in on this entire matter.
पूरे देश में संसदीय सचिव बनाना वैध है, खाली दिल्ली के अंदर अरविंद केजरीवाल अगर संसदीय सचिव बनाते हैं तो वो अवैध है, वो गुनाह है, उस सरकार को खत्म करना है, उस सरकार को चलने नहीं देना है। पूछना चाहता हूं मोदी जी, दिल्ली की सरकार से इतना सौतेला व्यवहार क्यों? अरविंद केजरीवाल से इतनी दुश्मनी क्यों है आपकी? इसका कृपा करके जवाब दीजिए।
अब मैं आपको पढ़ के सुना देता हूं जो दिल्ली सरकार ने जो बिल बनाया था, उस बिल में क्या है। उस बिल के प्रोविजन में साफ लिखा हुआ है कि द पार्लियामेंट्री सेक्रेटरीज विल नॉट बी एलिजिबल टू एनी रेम्यूनरेशन और एनी पर्क्स ऑफ एनी काइंड। नोटिफिकेशन जो हुआ है, द पार्लियामेंट्री सेक्रेटरीज विल नॉट बी एलिजिबल एनी रेम्यूनरेशन और एनी पर्क्स ऑफ एनी काइंड फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट, मीनिंग नो बर्डन ऑन एक्सचेकर, नो बर्डन ऑन एक्सचेकर। They may use government transport for official purposes and office space in the minister's office. अब आप तुलना करिए इसकी पंजाब और गुजरात से, तुलना करिए इसकी कर्नाटक और नागालैंड से, तुलना करिए इसकी वेस्ट बंगाल से। तो कहां है ऑफिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट? पहली बात तो 9 महीने से बिल पड़ा हुआ है। मोदी जी को अभी अचानक याद आया कि नहीं, इस बिल को रिजेक्ट कर दे रहे। भाई अभी आपको ज्ञान आया? 9 महीने में क्या सो रहे थे आप? पहले क्यों नहीं ज्ञान पड़ा कि गलत है?
डीडीसीए डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड क्रिकेट दिल्ली क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन में अरुण जेटली साहब के मुद्दे को मैंने खुद उठाया है, लेकिन अरुण जेटली साहब जो है मानहानि का दावा ठोकते हैं। अरुण जेटली जी से कहूंगी, सीखिए गोपाल राय जी से कि अगर आरोप लगते हैं तो किस तरीके से, अगर आप ईमानदार हैं, आपने कोई घोटाला घपला नहीं किया है, आप आगे आकर गोपाल राय जी से सबक लीजिए कैसे होता है। मोदी जी से कहूंगी, आपके मंत्री अगर दूध के धुले हैं, भ्रष्टाचारों में जो है वो शामिल नहीं है, तो उदाहरण दीजिए किस तरीके से जो है सीखिए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से कि अपने मंत्री को कहा है कि जाइए और जांच में सहयोग करें।